All right, here we go. We have another equation, or another problem, where we're going to find the slope of the curve, find the equation of a tangent, and find the equation of a normal. And what we have is another parabola. And so without further ado, let's get this started. All right, we're going to use the definition of a limit to help us figure this out. The definition of a limit that we're going to use is a limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And we're going to use that right there to help us find out what the derivative is, or the slope of the curve. And that's what a derivative is, the slope of the curve. So we're going to use that definition to help us find this. So without further ado, we're going to plug in our values. So x equals 0. And so I'm going to plug in 0 in for x right away. And so what we have then is f of 0 plus h, which is just h. So we're going to have h squared minus 3h minus 1. So I'm plugging that into my function in each one of those values. Just so you know, I guess it is y, but we're going to assume it's the f of x. All right. Now from here, we're going to now take and subtract f of 0. So we're going to plug in 0 into here. So 0, 0, and then we have negative 1. And then it's going to be divided by h. Okay. What we have here is, that's going to turn, and we're going to have h squared minus 3h. These are going to cancel out all over h. Factor out in h. We have h minus 3 over h. Cancel, cancel. Now let's finish it off by finding the limit as h approaches 0. And so our value is going to be negative 3. So negative 3 is our slope of our curve, or f prime of 0 is negative 3. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to find the equation of the tangent line. To find the equation of the tangent line, we need f prime of 0, which is negative 3. We need a slope, and we need our points. We need f of 0. F of 0 we found, which is negative 1. So using that, we're going to find our equation by taking y equals negative 3 times x minus 0 minus 1, which would just be y equals negative 3x minus 1. All right, easy peasy, nice and easy. Finally, we're going to find our normal of this line. And the normal, once again, is perpendicular to the tangent, so perpendicular to tangent. Okay. So we're going to use our same point. We're going to use our slope, though. So the normal slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal because it's perpendicular. So we're going to have y equals 1/3 times x minus 0 minus 1. And that's going to simplify to y equals 1/3 x minus 1. And that is our normal line. If we wanted to graph this, okay, and see what this looked like, we could take our graphing calculator out, and we could plot these different things. So we can go x squared minus 3x minus 1. And I'm going to graph both of these. So what we have is negative 3x minus 1. So we're going to plot our tangent line, which is negative 3x minus 1. And I'm also going to plot our normal line. So it'd be 1/3 x minus 1 as well. And we'll find out what that is. So we'll go zoom 6, and we'll graph that. So here's our parabola. If I see at 0, we can see that we will have a slope, which will be negative. All right, so that's our tangent line at 0. And here's our normal line, which will be perpendicular to that at 0 as well. Opposite reciprocal. And if I take that, all right, and we can kind of verify that everything is good. So there's our tangent, which is red. We have this one right here, which is our perpendicular to our tangent. So that should be perpendicular, which is in black. And then we have our actual point, show line right there. And there's our tangency, and that's what we have. All right. So hopefully this was good for you to find and help to reiterate it and help to explain some things of how to use the limit definition of a derivative to help you find the slope of a curve, how to find the equation of the tangent line, and also how to find the normal. We went through and talked about how to do it on the calculator, how you can verify those things, just identifying those, and went through the process. So hopefully that was your benefit to you, and this will help you hopefully understand this better and finish some more problems in the future. All right, good luck, and God bless.